Unboxing my gun. I tried to wait for you, Billy, but you're assed out, dude. Sorry. I figured I'd at least take a video, though.
Nice enough to take a video.
Can I watch, Daddy?
Yeah, you can watch.
I'm watching. I'm just sitting. Everybody wants to watch.
Oh, yeah.
USP for the win.
You got
Yeah.
Oh my God, those are nice.
Yes, they are. They are very nice.
You can. What
Let
are you
me
gonna do with
see.
your other goggles?
Bam.
Get a thank you thing. Yeah.
Ooh.
Gargles goggles.
Bam. Your receipt.
Order receipt.
Bam. Nothing super special. Bam. I bet
Would
what
be the
it-
battery, if I believe
Yeah,
correctly.
that's what I was about to say.
It's an Intellitech too, just like all the other ones I have.
Yeah.
I like that battery.
Intellitech's good shit. That's what I got too. I think. Pretty sure. If I don't, I will soon. Don't Chuck, Intellitech.
Interesting. I didn't know Intellitech was GMP. Anybody else know that?
No idea.
Okay.
I don't even know.
Here's the fun one.
Can I pop this? I wonder what it is.
No wonder required. I already know.
And
What?
it's all pretty. Hey.
Hands off.
You get back. Oh look, I even got a little cheapie.
Oh, they did give you a cheapie.
Yeah, they gave me a cheapie. I didn't know if it was gonna come with one or not.
Bubble wrapper.
Hey, you got the
And
good.
battery. Oh, cool. It's a 9.6. Wait a minute. Means I have two 9.6s.
Charge both
Fucking
of them.
right on.
Charge
Go
both of them.
evike.
Go evike.
Evike. I'm sorry.
Evike, get right.
Whoa! Hey,
kid.
Hey! It is time for you to back up, Missy. Time for you to back up.
I see the P90. Oh.
Ooh, look at it. It's so pretty, DJ. Oh,
Good
thanks.
save.
Good save, Patty. Thank you. Appreciate that.
You're
I
welcome.
didn't want that to hit the ground.
Is that plastic or metal?
Oh, it's a metal one, dude. It's a good one. Look.
Yeah. Nice.
Great. And look, dude, there's the lock on. That thing.
Emily, no.
Oh, okay, just a clip.
Yeah, just
That's awesome.
I didn't think I was gonna catch it.
Oh, you did a good job, Patrick.
You're welcome.
Huh, that's weird. Like it doesn't want to fit in there. As the clip came with it. Wait, how weird is that, man?
I'm trying to pop this.
seems like it's in there to me.
Bubbles.
It's not locking down, you see?
Bubbles. I'm gonna pop this one
You know what I'm
later.
saying?
Who wants to pop this one?
Huh.
I'm trying.
Okay, you can pop it with your brother. There's enough bubble wrapper to go.
Oh, I know. This isn't open. Has a little peg in there. Keep it open. That's why it went okay. There we go. My fault. My faux pas.
That is
This is
awesome.
the hopper inside of it. Like, everybody said that lid's really chintzy. Dude, really? Check that out. That's pretty legit. Okay.
Time to look at the
Now for the,
P90.
Nasty little part. See, that's only the extra there. This was the whole pay for the 200. I don't care if I pop it. Come on now. Don't get all mad at me for popping her bubble.
I know.
Ah, quite literally. Hey, see that? Popping her bubble? No.
Hey, look what he has at one.
Oh, dude! Even better. I was not even told that it comes with a P90 mag. So now I have two standard mags, plus the drum. Wicked awesome, dude. Very, very happy with it. Came with a 9.6, came with a drum, came with a friggin' mag. I didn't expect two of those things easy.
Are you happy?
Very much
Booyah.
Me and Vicky
Oh,
will be
yeah,
back.
dude.
Hey,
What does it
Look at the
say?
details. With the FM commercial bone. It's got the open spot on the bottom. Look. That's wicked cool, dude. Tell me that don't look meaner in prison, dude. Just saying.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah, because Chris is like a stocky.
Yeah, it's like the upgraded version.
Dude, he's already said that's his ultimate goal for his.
Give me a clean and pocket me and Vicky Vicky be back. We're gonna run Domino's. She's gonna get a couple pizzas and stuff. And then I'm gonna go put gas in the truck.
I don't feel like it's screwing on at all.
Okay, back up for a minute.
Yeah, it looks like it's coming off to me.
Back up for a minute.
Keep
We're
going.
gonna get through here.
Oh, okay, it is coming off. My fault. It's a reverse thread.
You know what I love about their idea of a flash, having their
The orange tip, that's great, right?
It's tape.
Tape around it.
Yeah, I bet you pull it right the fuck off too.
They're right there.
Oh, it's like my fucking.
Oh, okay. It's got another hollow out cylinder inside of it. Look.
It was the pop the small
Yeah.
one.
No, it's like my my silencer. It screws in from 2 angles.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's one of those deals.
It's the Halo silencer too.
Yeah.
All right, I guess we can go ahead and stop the unboxing. Later, dude.